Hey guys, VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can update your drivers easily and for free in Windows 10. So, to update our drivers, we're going to be using a program called Driver Booster. Now, from my experience, it seems to be the best free program out there. Now, when you're installing, you have to be careful of one or two things, so I'll talk you through that. But apart from the installation process, the program seems to work fine and it does the job very well. So to get the program, you want to come to this web page here. The link will be in the description. And then you want to click download. And then you want to click download now. Now it should start downloading any minute. Right, now that's downloaded, we're going to open it up. And then we can close our web browser now. Now when this comes up, you can want to click yes. Now this is the first page that you'll see when you're installing, and you got to be careful here because if you don't uncheck this box here, so at the moment you see it's checked. If I installed like it was now with this box checked, it would install Advanced System Care along with it. Now to update our drivers, we don't want Advanced System Care installed as well, all we want is Driver Booster installed. So I'm going to uncheck this box, so now when I click accept and install, only Driver Booster will be installed. Now, I'd recommend that you do uncheck it, but if you do want Advanced System Care as well, then you can keep it checked. But as I say, I'd recommend you have it unchecked, and then click accept and install. And now it's going to start installing on the machine, it shouldn't take too long. Now, as you can see, installed, and it's created a desktop icon and an icon in the taskbar. Now when this comes up, you don't have to enter your email address. All you can do is just click down here where it says give up my gift, or if you do obviously want the newsletter, you can put in the email address, but I don't, so I'm just going to click give up my gift down here, and then you can either wait 10 seconds or you can just click run Driver Booster now. So now we've just clicked to run Driver Booster, it'll first open up this web page like it does when you first install it, thank you for installing, and then it'll start the program itself and check through all your drivers and find out if there's any outdated. Now, it's only when you first install it that it'll open the web page, so now whenever it's opened again, it won't open the web page anymore, it'll just do this and check for outdated drivers. So as you can see, I have one outdated driver that I knew I'd have because I purposely did it. So now, you're obviously going to let it run, and however many it comes up with it. If it doesn't come up with any updates, then all your drivers are up to date. But if you do have at least one, you can either click on the single one and click update, or you can click the big red update now, and this should update all of the drivers that need updating. So I'm going to click the big red update now button. Now when this comes up, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click the free download button here. Now what it's doing is it's downloading the actual driver. So depending on your internet speed, it might be slower or faster, I don't know. And once it's downloaded, it then needs to create a restore point, just in case anything does go wrong when installing the driver. I haven't experienced any problems, but I think it's nice that it does create a restore point before it does actually install. Now it's created a restore point, it'll then come up asking you if you want to install the driver. Obviously you do, so you just want to click install. And then it will start installing the driver on your computer. So this hopefully shouldn't take too long. Now as you can see, it's completed, and that is the driver updated, so I'm just going to click done. And then it's just going to check again for any other drivers that are out of date, and as you can see, none of my drivers are out of date now. So now all my drivers are fully up to date. Now, when you do try and close Driver Booster, if you click close, it will still be running in the background, so if you want to fully close it, then you just have to right click it in the, well, it'll either be in the taskbar down here, or it'll be in here. And all you have to do is right click on it and click exit, and it'll be fully closed. And then again, if you don't want this on the taskbar, you can just open it from the taskbar. And if you don't want a desktop icon, you can just click on it and click delete. on your keyboard. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to show your support and you want to stay up to date with the latest videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.